Hello everyone, welcome back to SmallCapGuy. NFT or non-fungible tokens is a space that has been hyped up over the months. People are making 2 to 10 times returns within just a few days or week. Take note, that is 2 to 10 times, 200% to 1000% in just weeks. While some of you are still happy with a 5 to 6% return investment a year like unit trust and dividend stocks. The world has changed, guys. In order to understand or even accept the concept of NFT, you have to first understand and accept the concept of cryptocurrency. Right now, if you still think that cryptocurrency in general is just a bunch of codes and it is worthless, please empty your cup and open your mind. Even Warren Buffett bought a loss-making company, Snowflake, in 2020 that I think his younger self would actually laugh at him and call him crazy. I will talk about the current state of cryptocurrency in a future video. Coming back to NFT. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief idea of the current NFT space and what tools you need to prepare before purchasing an NFT. In a future video, I'm going to show you a few key criteria on how to purchase a profitable NFT. Although NFT is only getting more popular in 2021, actually, NFT has been around for a few years, even maybe before you start investing. The first NFT was created in 2017 called CryptoPunks. I just want to make a simple comparison. When NFT was created in 2017, it felt like Bitcoin in 2009 and the early 2010s when no one was talking about them. They totally failed in gaining attention, and even minority of people were involved in them. The mass population still treated those instruments as scams. While for NFT, since the start of 2021, it was like Bitcoin in 2017 that was having a bull run. During that time, most people invested in Bitcoin were retail investors, and what drove the Bitcoin prices was mainly speculation. There were no institutions or companies having interest in holding Bitcoin. I think NFT for now is similar to Bitcoin in 2017. The space is dominated by retail investors or traders while no institutions were involved. Sooner or later, the bubble may burst like Bitcoin from 2018 to 2020. However, it doesn't mean that this instrument is worthless or a scam. It will only be a cool down period, and at the same time, institutions would realize the importance of NFTs and start recognize them. You can come to this website called OpenSea.io. This is the largest NFT marketplace, right? So after you open this link, then you will come to this OpenSea, the main page over here. Okay, so you can go and explore all the NFTs, right? So let me scroll down. Okay, so these are all the top collections. Okay, for example, CryptoPunks, okay, the first ever NFT. Okay, then we have got the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Okay, I can go to the rankings, and you will see these are the volumes being traded for the past 1 day, okay, 24 hours, okay, past 7 days. Okay, so let me just click on one project. So this is known as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Okay, and you can see, okay, when you come to this is the page for a project. Okay, then for this project, there are 10,000 of these different pictures. So let me come to the top, okay, 10,000 items, and then there are 5,600 different owners for these items, okay, because every single owner is being recorded in the blockchain. Okay, so you know exactly how many people are holding how many pieces of the items. Okay, then the floor price. Okay, so before I go to the floor price, what it is, right? Okay, you can come and see this is ETH. Okay, ETH, it means Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum network, and they are being traded using Ether. Okay, then volume traded in total, it is 194k Ethereum. Okay, so you know how big it is for the market. You see the floor price. Okay, floor price, it means the minimum amount, okay, to buy and sell a picture like this. So I can come and show you recently sold. Okay, these are the different pictures that is being traded, okay, recently. So I can go and press any one of these. Okay, just go and press this one. And you can see the highest offer now, okay, it is 33 ETH. Okay, then I can scroll down and see the trading history. Okay, this is where the beauty of blockchain is. Okay, I can scroll down and see all the different transactions being made on this one picture itself. Okay, so for this particular picture, okay, it is being minted. By the way, minted, it just means IPO. In the stock market, there's this thing called IPO, right? So minted, it means the same as IPO. Okay, so something is created. Okay, this picture is created. And then this person called Jimmy, okay, Jimmy was holding this picture. Okay, this was 6 months ago, okay, on 1st of May. Just 1 day later, okay, Jimmy sold this particular picture to Art Direct for 2.75 ETH. Okay, pretty good price. Okay, then this picture is being transferred to the other guy. Okay, then this Art Direct, he sold to Husky the collector at 2 ETH. Okay, so you can see all the transactions. Okay, it is very transparent. Okay, you know exactly who owns the NFT before, right? And then you can see there are different prices. You see this guy, okay, this Husky the collector, he sold for 2.5. Then this Matchy Big Brother, he bought at 2.15. Okay, then he sold at 17 ETH to this guy called Bitcoiner Baby. Okay, then this Bitcoiner Baby sold at 59 ETH, okay, to this particular guy. Okay, so you can see the NFT verb. Okay, you are actually flipping for almost like 1 to 2 months. Okay, you earn like a few times the difference, okay, of the price you bought. In order for you to buy an NFT, right, what you need to do is first you need to open up a wallet. Okay, so you can come and see on the right side there are different types of wallet that is available. Now, the most popular one that people use will be this one called the MetaMask. Okay, so you need to right now open a MetaMask account and then link that MetaMask account to OpenSea before you can do the buying and selling. Okay, now you can just go to like search. Okay, then you can come search for MetaMask. Okay, then you press the first link over here. Now, by the way, I'm using a Microsoft Edge browser or Google Chrome browser because I've already got my own account. I'm not showing you how to do it from scratch. Okay, so it works the same. So after you come to metamask.io, you can go and press download. Or for Chrome, you can just press this one, install MetaMask for Chrome. Right now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Okay, so I'm pressing this one. Okay, but it works the same. So after you come in, then you can just download it. Okay, you can add into Chrome. After it has successfully installed, then you can see on the top right, okay, then there's this MetaMask icon over here. So it is a fox. Okay, so it looks the same in Google Chrome. Okay, and then there will be one page jumping out. Okay, you can see this is the fox face. Okay, wherever your cursor goes, okay, then the face will turn to whatever side. Okay, so you can just press get started. Okay, so if you are totally new to MetaMask and then you're going to create a new account, right? So you can just press create a wallet. Now over here, you will see that the process, it will be much simpler than any kind of registration process that you have. Okay, what you need to do is just like typing a password and that's it. Okay, so you read through everything, press I agree. Now, what you need to do is only to type in your password, and that's what you need only to log in into a MetaMask wallet. Okay, then I press create, press next. Now, here is the secret recovery phrase. This will be the most important thing for any kind of crypto wallet. Okay, because even if you forget your password, it doesn't matter. As long as you have got this secret recovery phrase over here, you'll be able to recover your account. And these different words, right? Okay, this different phrase, okay, it is in order. So the first word is regular, wrong, tomato. Okay, so you need to write down your phrase anywhere, and then even you need to write down physically using a pen or paper, and then you can store it anywhere. And what is the risk of this phrase? Okay, the risk of it is if someone else has got the same phrase, then he or she will be able to log into your wallet and withdraw everything. Okay, so this ultimately this is the only secret okay, that you are holding. Okay, not even your password. Not your password, it is actually not important. Okay, so write down somewhere. Okay, this is important. Okay, then you can press next. All right, so I have done confirming my secret recovery phrase. Okay, remember, you don't want to reveal this to anyone. Okay, you only want to know it by yourself. Okay, then just press confirm. Okay, congratulations. Okay, the account is created. Okay, so the MetaMask wallet, it is now created, and not even MetaMask team can help you to recover your phrase. Okay, so only you will know it yourself. Okay, so I will press all done. So you can see this is a newly created account, and this will be the address. Okay, this will be the Ethereum address that is linked to this account. Okay, so what we're going to do next is, you can see right now we have got 0 ETH. Okay, we don't have any Ethereum, and then we need to deposit some Ethereum in, okay, to this account. I'm at CoinMarketCap, where it shows the top crypto exchanges in the world. You can basically use any of these exchanges to buy crypto except Binance. Okay, because Binance has been banned by many countries, so you can probably use Coinbase, FTX, KuCoin, etc. So in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to use FTX to buy crypto and transfer to MetaMask. Okay, so if you already know how to buy crypto, how to transfer, then you can skip this walkthrough. So right now I'm at ftx.com. And then over here, you see on the top right, you probably need to register for an account. Okay, so for me, I've registered and logged in already. So I can press wallet. Okay, so you can come to wallet, and then you can deposit your money. Okay, you can deposit USD in. So you can press deposit. You can deposit wire transfer, card, or you can deposit some stable coins in. So once you have got the money, then you can go to spot. Then I press Ethereum USD. This is where you are able to buy the Ethereum. Okay, so you can key in whatever amount you want to buy. Right now, the price of Ethereum is 4,003 plus. Okay, so I can type in, let's say I want to queue at 4,002. I want to queue at a lower price. Then the amount of ETH, let's say I want to buy 0.1 ETH. Okay, then it will be about 420 USD. Now you can also key in how much USD worth. Okay, how much worth of USD you want to buy for ETH. So let's say I want to buy $50 worth of ETH. So it will be 0.011 ETH. So if everything is okay, you can just press buy. Okay, then the order, it will be submitted. After you bought Ethereum, and then you are going to transfer to MetaMask account. So how do you do that? You go to wallet. You should see you will have some Ethereum over here. Okay, just that I don't have. Okay, so if I have got Ethereum over here, I can go to withdraw. I press withdraw. Then the amount Ethereum, okay, let's say I want to withdraw 0.1 ETH. Then I will be able to choose these are ETH. And then for the ETH address, this is where I need to go back to MetaMask. So you come to your MetaMask, then you can see that this is your address. You see 0x11f3 ... Okay, a lot of alphabets in between. Okay, then 533b. Okay, just copy this entire link, and then you go back to your crypto exchange, and then you paste your Ethereum address here. Let's go come and paste this. Okay, you can see the front and the back, okay, they are the same. Then withdrawal method, just choose ETH. So this is the 2FA code, okay, the two-factor authentication code, okay, that you need to use your phone to generate it. Okay, then after everything is correct, then you can just press withdraw. It depends on the traffic of Ethereum, okay, because Ethereum, it is quite jammed. Okay, sometimes it's up to a few minutes or maybe 10 minutes. Maybe after 15 minutes, your amount, your Ethereum, okay, it will be transferred, okay, into this account. Okay, so this is where you see, let's say 0.1 Ethereum, okay, it will be over here. Okay, then after that, you will be able to use this money to go and buy whatever NFT that you want. In summary, this video gets you prepared to buy your first NFT, even if you are not that interested for now. It is because of the famous quote, opportunity favors the prepared. I was really sad to see that when the market crashed in March 2020 due to COVID, most people didn't even have a brokerage account to buy stocks at dirt cheap prices. So make sure you don't want to miss taking advantage of the next NFT wave when the opportunity arises. About the walkthrough in this video, you can leave a comment below if you face any obstacles. I do read your comments to give you any help I could. If you think this video has been helpful to you, remember to smash the like button so YouTube algorithm would show this video to more people. This YouTube channel mainly shares practical tips about investing and personal finance from my investing and coaching experience. If you don't want to miss any of the future videos, remember to turn on the notification for this channel. Looking forward to seeing you next time.